What you a come round, you what you a shake. What you a no!
Me tell you, says a bomb muck about lizard tail. Me say lizard tail, someone put a big lizard in the man's cliff, dog. Oh my gosh. No! You can't get the man lizard tail for bun, dog. No!
Them not feel me, no dog. Them a waste man. Me no want none of them pussy that fi rate me.
No, dog.
Bad mind thing a go on late.
No, not all, dog. Watch them. Watch them. Watch them. Watch them. Ravers. Watch them. Watch them. What's up? Hold on. What's up, YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs. Hold on, don't you hear me? What's up, YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, and I am back with another reaction video. Yes, a music video drop. Finally, it's raining outside. It's not snowing today. This weather, yo, Mr. Jamaican weather. But anyways, ding dong. Watch them music video. You see me, I say, I'm gonna find the music video from now because I'm gonna on the audio tree long. No man, add. Alright, skip that. What out? Anyways, people, as me I say, Ding Dong just dropped the video. What me I talk about? Ding Dong just dropped a music video here to watch them. The song, the audio dropped mostly 2 months ago. For the first, I know someone audio did it out before the song. Normally, I didn't know. But anyways, enough chatting. So, come watch me react to this. So, smash the like button. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. We have the most lit reactions over here, people. If you watch my reactions, you know I see nobody else. You see me? I'm ever on time. This job 1 minute ago, I'm reacting already. Yeah. Anyways, I have pranks, everything for the channel. Vibes Cartel Luis pranks live on the channel, people. Go check it out right now. Like, watch that before you watch this. Watch them. Anyways, I can see what I'm going for Ding Dong. Oh gosh, first and foremost, where your shirt there, brother? Where your shirt there? Anyways, go through door.
No, the boy check for that. Look like him get walk.
Long time you look. Man in the ends of bill. Alright.
Yeah, my dad.
You know, they look at one friend there say, oh, yo, man, I get earrings in a bad charge. Imagine, man come on the ends up pass through, dog, and through. Man, they on the ends there every day, so I cock up. You see me, I say, why up? Why? But you the man on the ends every day, you see me, I say, I gonna born beer we do ya. You see me, man, look work. You pray, man, and that make it already if you just start. Go through, though.
Real hard.
One step here.
One and I want to split. You can ask that man, what kind of question that dog? You don't put too much gaba in there.
Watch them, Ding Dong. Watch them. So now I'll go on now. See this. Hold on there. Me not parking lot, no pay no mind. But anyways, well, new car pan base. Anyways, me I say, you see what go on? My boy previous if you don't want to split, I put a big bum buck teeth something there in your cliff. Watch. I give a lizard tail in your cliff. Got you. Watch them, Ravers. Watch them. Watch them,
Jordan.
Watch them.
I know everybody run a reel. Watch your pussy there.
Yeah.
Them a clap while you're dead. Them a pussy friend.
Yeah.
No matter where you do, them say you never do for that.
Yeah.
You know read me say where you
oh
do
gosh, give me night. Why him name? These are from Dina Crazy. Why him name? Him not from Dina Crazy, but Dina Crazy if you don't see him now. Anyways, why him name? Me don't know him name, but him there now. Got you. Magnum pan base.
Me no want none of them pussy that for rate me.
Yeah.
I be a bad man thing I go on lately.
Yeah.
Everybody be my them start move shake it.
Yeah.
For a long time them a pre-man neatly.
Yeah.
When you did broke you and everybody alright. Start.
See flashback there. Me tell you, you know, should the man not up on the ends no more with him and I go and build back on the ends every day and I burn beer weed, you know. Man go find a little work right now. Man start pre him, you know, because of what I do now, you know. You see me I tell you, once things are going on for people start pre you. We all know the story, man. Go through though.
Make little money now, I be a fight.
Yeah.
The same motor you a feed, give you be a bad.
Yeah.
The friendship a silicone, fake life.
Yeah.
Oh, God. We coulda cause all of this.
Yeah. My boy flex for the man them. Hey, I be a driver them man I go out, you know. He ma flex for the man them and go buy him like a Magnum and put it on base and the man them a pull it. Once some Magnum a while ago. I may give them none. You see what go on though? No, what else see what go on, you know. But got you up.
Them right all mates. The fruits just a beer, yeah, and me water this.
Yeah.
Them can't draw me out, me no weed I chalice. So when you stacking up the bricks
Virgin
like
Live. Shout out to Shaquille Reaper, Tevin Bagalololo. You see me I say subscribe to him channel just hit a while ago. Him do gaming videos, him go live a while ago. Got you.
What you a come round, you
Bomba!
what you a gym, no for the
Me tell you says a bomb muck about lizard tail. Me say lizard tail, someone put a big lizard in the man's cliff, dog. Oh my gosh. No! You can't get the man lizard tail for bun, dog. No!
Them not feel me, no dog. Them a waste man. Me no want none of them pussy that fi rate me.
No, dog.
Bad mind thing a go on late.
No, not all, dog.
Them start move shaky.
Yeah.
No long time. Them a pre-man.
But Jesus, like, me can't predict things in the yo. Me say from the start of the video, say yo, it's a lizard tail I put in a man's cliff. But someone that improve me wrong. He might put a big fat sexy lizard on the man thing. Like it's a wire up on the man thing. What kind of argument me like? Me calm it down. If you're not subscribed yet, touch the subscribe button. I like your video. I try to 10,000 subscribers. Ready now? Why up on them argument then, boy? Why up, you know? Got you.
When you did broke, you and everybody alright.
Yeah.
Start make little money, now I be a fight.
I chew that.
The motor you a feed, give you be a buy.
Yeah.
Them friendship a silicone, fake life. Now for them I come with pretty smile and laughing at your face.
Whoa.
But you fuck at them, I'm mad because you are run the place.
And them gone to the females, them. I say I like with the artist here, and I like it. I like with the artist. I go for some like you. Oh, the bum buckler. You, I be a while me up myself from my day, you know, dog. That me a pray, you know. I stop it, you know. What's me I say? I like how Ding represent the girls, them. He represent for everybody. You see me I say? You can't look upon him as just a dancer, dance. You see me? Red dance artist basically put out dancing music. You see me I say? Everything, man, though. Everything. Anyways, got you.
Pockets so when you win, watch them a smiling at your face. With them bagger man want kill your argument in your ears.
Yeah.
All of my friends, some of them no rate me. Yeah. And fin up not time, some of them no see it me. Would the mind you push them in a problem like beer. So if I'm money power, you want to
come boy. Him heart a burn him, you know. What I know say just an accident, no people. You see me, so nobody gonna send him a clip and say, yo, watch a boy here, burn up your thing. Is it burn up your thing? Why? Yo, Jano Star. I be a wire man out. Jano Star. What as me I say? Real Friends Company ends and come by the whole of the man them have a buckle belt magnum. Why even that part them one magnum? Got you.
Me no want none of them pussy that fi rate me.
No.
Be a bad mind thing I go on late.
Oh.
Me by the beam of them start move shaky.
Yeah.
No long time them a pre-man neatly. When you did broke, you and everybody
Alright.
Start make little
One
money.
more now. My boy take him last dime. Him last dollars I go buy a bumbuckle belt Appleton. Him take him last dollars I go buy a Appleton, you know, yo. Put out seat, everything. No more money now, you know. No more. Got you.
Money now I be a fight. The same motor you a feed, give you be a buy.
Yeah.
Them friendship a silicone, fake life.
Oh. Them people, you can't trust them. You can't trust some of your friends them in that. You can't trust people overall. That's some things, yo. You can't trust people. I could see everything turn out now. Who that girl there? Got you though. Yeah. Bomba! You know that this cliff. And in front of this cliff up on the ends. Buckle belt. What hot? Buckle. No, bad charge. The wrong, Ramesh, pick up yourself, Ramesh. But the wrong man take this cliff, dog. Buckle. Yo, me see what go on. If you mad.
You know rate me, so what you want to do yesterday?
Yeah.
None of them rate me. Talk like them right on mix.
Or freestyle this. I want to see the rest of them. I want to see if the man mad dog, ding dong dog. You can't left up on a cliffhanger, so brother. The man burn up on big lizard tail ding dong. Why you move so ding dong? Ding dong. Oh. Jano Star. My boy check that say, no somebody forgot right though, bro, God. Shove. Jano da. Got you.
None of them rate me.
Yeah. Yeah. Watch them.
Is it?
Video done. Yo, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching my videos and as usual. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. I like the feedback I'm seeing. So go and subscribe and comment. We are trying to 10,000 subscribers. So for the lit reactions, them, lit prank them. The best Jamaican YouTube, and put it out there. I mean that. You see me? I upload every day. Oh, you know what Jamaica do this? You see me I say? Subscribe to the channel. It's been a boy Tyrekejt. I'm out of here.